Hi everyone, I have a pecking crow here. I'm going to show you how to make one. I'll fold my paper in half on the diagonal. Then I'll fold this in half again. Unfold, and then I'll fold the sides in to meet that center crease. As you fold this, it'll look like a diamond shape. So once I've done that, then I'll use the bottom sections and fold these on a 90-degree angle. I'll need to pull out the middle section, so I'll gently pull out what's hiding underneath, and I'll let this rest over the top. Working with the upper section, I'll fold this over. I'll need to fold this over to the left and the right to make pre-creases for rabbit ears. So make sure that long edge is running with the horizontal edge there. So the way I do rabbit ears is I try to push those left and right pre-creases together and then flatten out the tapering edge, if that makes sense. Just neatening up that little section. And then I'll repeat this on the other half. It helps if you do really sharp folds for doing rabbit ears. It can make it easier to do that process. I have my beak of my crow. There's one more little thing I have to do to finish it. To finish off, I'll fold this in half. Have fun with your pecking crow. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.